everyone, Lucas here, coming at you with another Term Tuesday. This week, I'll be covering annuities. What are annuities? Well, they're basically an agreement between you and an insurance company to fulfill a specific financial goal, and they're commonly used in planning. The best way for me to communicate it with you is through an illustration. So, here is Janice. Janice is 63 years old and just about to retire. And she is worried about outliving her money. So what Janice does is put $100,000 into an annuity contract that guarantees her 5% payout for the rest of her life. Now that means that Janice will receive from that company $5,000 every year, and 20 years from now, when this value is technically depleted, she will still receive those payments for the rest of her life. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.